Very tired there. I need to drink something, Nazrie.
Me too.
Ah, already finished. I need more. Why is there so small thing here? I need something bigger. I have a new idea. I need to make new tin for the freaking drinks here.
1 hour later.
Hello CEO, I want to make a deal with you. I want to make a new tin for the drinks in the university.
Oh, hello kids. Oh, you want to make a deal with my company? Okay, fine. Later I will call my factory to do the job.
A few moments later.
Hello, is this Dumb Bum Factory? I have a deal. I want you to make a bigger can as soon as possible so that we can market this as soon as possible. The detail of the can I will tell you later. Please keep on with me.
Oh, hello kids. This is Dumb Bum Factory. Yeah. Okay, then we have a deal. I'm agree. So, how about the value? Okay, I see. Now, we already know that we need 700 grams of water to be inserted to the can. Next, let's recalculate the value.
This is our group introduction. Differentiation is a fundamental concept in calculus. It involves determining function's derivative or rate of change using an algebraic manipulation, 3 basic derivatives, 4 operational rules, and a working graph of function. The process of finding the derivative of function is called differentiation. If x and y are two variables, the rate of change of x with respect to y is the derivative. So that is how you find the differentiation in the first place. Next is our group problem statement. A group of students wants to manufacture a new tin can that can fulfill 700 grams of water. They need to find the value of the radius and the height of the tin can. How can our group solve this problem is using the differentiation concept to manufacture this tin can.
So basically, a group of students want to manufacture a new tin can that can fulfill 700 grams of water. They need to find the value of radius and height of the tin can. So here we need to find the best height and the best radius that suit for 700 grams of water so that we can minimize the can. Given volume uniform shape of cylinder is equal to pi r square h, and the area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. As we know, 1 gram of water will be equal to 1 centimeter cube. So 700 grams of water should be 1 centimeter cube times 700 grams, which will give us 700 centimeter cube.
Now we will move on to the next part. We already have the volume of the cylinder, which is 700. So now we need the value of h. So we just simply insert the volume of the cylinder into the cylinder formula. So using basic algebra, we will get the value of h is equal to 700 over pi r square. Then, from the value we got, we already can calculate the area of cylinder, which is A equal to 2 pi r hash plus 2 pi r square. So, we just simply substitute the value, so it will become 2 pi r in bracket 700 over 2 over pi r square plus 2 pi r square. So, we simplify it and it will become 2 pi r square plus 1400 over r. So, now we must to differentiate a with respect to r and let the answer equal to 0. So, from the calculation, we just simply differentiate it. The 4 pi r plus 1400 over r square equal to 0. So now we just move the r square to the left hand side. So it will become 4 pi r cube equals to 100 and 1400. Next, we must to let the r become a standalone. So we just move the pi r. So we just move the 4 pi to the right hand side, and we will get r cube equals to 1400 over 4 pi. Then we just simplify the value, so we will get r cube equal to 101.41. So we must to move the cube to the right hand side, so we will get r value, which is r equals to cube root 111.41. So we just calculate the value and we got r equal to 4.81 centimeter.
Make sure the surface area is minimum. You need to use the second derivative. So substitute the r, which is 4.81, into the second derivative formula, and then we get 73.1, which is bigger than 0, which means the area of minimum at r is 73.1. Therefore, the radius that minimizes the surface area is 4.81 centimeter. When r is 4.81 centimeter, we can find the h value by dividing 1400 divided by pi 4.81 square, which get us value of h, which is 19.26 centimeter. So the minimum value of height is 19.26 centimeter.
So now after doing all the calculation, we already got the exact radius and height that we need to contain 700 grams of water, which is the radius is 4.81 centimeter and the height is 19.26 centimeter.
In conclusion, differentiation helps us measure something or somewhat an unknown value. For an example, the height of the tin can we are going to make and the radius for the tin can to be exactly and precisely 700 to fit 700 grams of water.